Make sure to stay until the end, guys. We'll share a secret how you can easily find out if it's the idler pulley causing that problem. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes. It could be multiple models Mercedes, guys. If you have an engine noise whine and you wonder, okay, is it an idler pulley? What is causing that thing? Stay with us. We'll explain how to know what an idler pulley noise sounds like, how to distinguish, and how to find out if that's causing your problem. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. So what we're going to do now, guys, we'll have the car put together. Okay, before we start taking it apart, we will start it. You're going to hear that noise so you can find out, okay, what it sounds like, and then we'll continue with the next step. So let us show you guys what that noise whine sounds like. We're going to start the car and we're going to go ahead and open the hood. Okay, let me just go ahead, okay, and okay, first open it. Perfect. Let's go ahead, start the Mercedes now. Okay, and you can hear that whining. It's kind of like a dental machine. Okay, let's give it gas. And you want to know where it's coming from? Let's go ahead, guys. We'll start. It looks like it's coming from up here. You may be confused that it's a timing chain component or variable timing gear, but it's not. So let's continue now. So you heard the noise, right? Okay, that whine, guys. It sounds like a dental, you know, that machine that fixes your teeth. Okay, that revving up machine. It's terrible. We're going to go ahead now. And we're going to go ahead and start it now, and you'll hear that noise is gone. We'll explain what we did, okay? So make sure to stand till the end. Check out the noise, practically gone, right? Okay, now let's explain what we did here, guys. Okay, we removed the serpentine belt. Now, on many Mercedes vehicles, that belt could be extremely long. Check this thing out. It could be driving so many accessories. It could drive accessories such as power steering, AC compressor, you have tensioner pulley, crankshaft pulley, water pump. You're going to have alternator and 2 idler pulleys. All these accessories are going to put tension on the belt, guys. And when you have a weak idler pulley, that pulley will become noisy. The funny thing is that we removed that pulley, guys. That's the one that was causing the noise. And when we spin it by hand, it doesn't feel anything bad. Doesn't have almost zero play. Okay, just very minimum play. But it feels nice, smooth, quiet. But when you put tension on that pulley, that's when it becomes noisy. Now, by removing the belt, guys, and starting the engine, you can find out if that's causing the problem to make sure that it's not something mechanical up there. Another thing, guys, let's talk about that now. Do not start it for more than 10-15 seconds. Water pump is driven by the belt, so your engine will not circulate coolant and you can overheat it. Always open your garage door as well. By removing the belt, okay, and start it, if it's quiet, the problem is somewhere here. How you find out if it's the pulley? We have a special video that explains, okay, about power steering noise on Mercedes and how to find out if the power steering is making the noise. Check out the video, guys. It will be on our channel. Always disconnect the car battery because the radiator fan is here. It can turn on and cut your hands, guys. Okay, your fingers off. So we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect. You wonder why? Because you can burn engine computer modules, computers, and we did that mistake on Mercedes C-Class actually, guys, and we burned the airbag module. So we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first and which battery terminal to reconnect first. Check out the video, will teach you all about that. Then you can get here, then inspect, okay, the AC compressor, guys. Make sure the pulley is turning nice and smooth. There is no grinding noises, no cutting, no movement. Also, inspect to make sure that the water pump doesn't have any play in it as well. That's a water pump. Then it doesn't feel funny when you turn it, and alternator too, because alternator, if it's failing, that alternator, okay, can be, guys, okay, can be noisy as well. Usually alternator bearing, if it goes out, it can become really noisy, but by turning it by hand, you'll be able to hear a little bit of noise. Now, most of the times it will be idler pulleys It could be even the tensioner pulley, because it's the same kind of pulley with a bearing, and it's always recommend when you replace hydro pulley to replace tensioner pulley and belt as well, serpentine belt. This one was about to fail at 65,000 miles. We have a special video that explains how often to replace serpentine belt on Mercedes. Check out, complete video will be on our channel, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.